I like Color Wave because I just think it looks colourful. See? La 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 la. Woo! Ah. The Pro X 10 keyless rapid keyboard, which is currently, I think it's on sale. I think it's £170. It's actually cheap. I looked at the price. It's actually cheaper than my current keyboard. Maybe because my current keyboard's wireless as the light speed. This isn't wireless, which was kind of yeah, they showcased one of these, right? Oh look, it's white inside. I'll give you a $3.50. Not that you can see a lot. Watch it just drop. It's heavy. It's heavier than mine. How did the keys sound, Yuzi? Did it sound good? It is small. Everything's small in your hands, right? Designed with pros, engineered to win. Pro X 10 keyless rapid is the next generation of trusted 10 keyless pro keyboard. Through collaborative design with the world's top esport athletes, it's been refined to eliminate every barrier between you and the win. Analog switches, acquisition point, and rapid trigger. Rapid triggers, you can adjust sensitivity levels, ensuring immediate key activation upon pressing and swift deactivation upon release. Light sync, create dynamic lighting animations and interactions based on activities. Assignments, so programmable keys. Game mode allows you to disable any keys you don't want to accidentally press. For you people with fat fingers out there, or just Mahusive fingers. Analog switch overview. Actuation. The point distance is the distance a key needs to be pressed down before it is registered. Rapid trigger. Multi-action. Okay, well, we all know. Oh, no, okay. That would confuse me. Allow two different actions to be performed on a single key at different distances. Thank you for joining me on this journey.